Well, I didn't get done all the way, but I got pretty far. And see all the stuff I dug over here. I had to chop off all kinds of roots over here, and I still have to make the deduction if I have to dig any more down there. But I got all the small roots and I threw them all down in here. See all that stuff in there? That's all stuff that was right in here. And I had to be careful with the lighting, and this lighting wire went underneath this big old root. This is a big root that I had to take off before. That went under there. See all this? This is all root. Can you believe that? From this tree. That's why this was all raised up before. And the light. I told you I was going to replace these anyways. You know, this was on a metal stake. This is how they come. See, with the metal stake and the wire on there. Well, the metal stake had snapped off because years ago, when this root kept growing, and this was shoved right there, and you see there's the two little wires, and they were shoved down in there. That went over. This was underneath there. I started chiseling that, and I thought, wait a minute, I'm going to be replacing that anyways. So I cut these wires. All this was right in here, and this is where the connection was before, and I cut the wire here, slid it underneath this so that it's coming over the top now, and I stripped back the wire, put some wire nuts on there, and this little wire, I didn't think it would be, I thought it would be okay without anything, but I went ahead and stripped the two wires there, put little wire nuts on there, put some electrical tape on there. I'll take these rocks, kind of set them there for now. And you see, I'm gonna reroute this over there, but this is tight right now. But you know, this goes along here, and this was the last light. But then, and see, that's how they do the connections. But then they ran an extra lighting wire, and it comes all the way over. And see where it ends? It ends right here. Look at that. It's right there. And so I can kind of gently loosen that up, and then I can move it back that way. In fact, when I cut this one off later, I can move that back. So all of this wiring and stuff will have to be done when we decide on the landscape wires. You know what I mean? But at least I got all the stuff. I cut all the small pieces that were still floating around here because I didn't want them to grow bigger into there, and I'm hoping nothing's going to grow into there. And I'm gonna flatten this out a little bit, but I'm gonna call it a day, and I'm gonna come out here again tomorrow. Okay, but before I get done, I'll pick up all my tools, I'll sweep up all the dirt, push it over, sweep up all the dirt, and get it all along the mowing strip. Act as though I wasn't working at all, other than that work's going on in here, but everything else around it's going to be all nice and clean. Okay, well, that's it for today. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos, and I hope you're enjoying the videos on these landscape videos that I've been doing. And all I can say is, hey, the more you watch, the more you learn. That's just how it works.